Now let us talk about sound and orthography. What is the difference? Sound and orthography. When we say sounds, they are what we actually hear when someone speaks. Therefore, we will say sounds are noises or any audible representation. How are sounds created? Whenever the air around us is disturbed, then there is going to be a sound created because sound waves are going to travel to our ears. So we study sounds in detail when we are doing phonetics. But what about orthography? Orthography, on the other hand, is the writing system of a language. That is, the letters and the symbols that we use to represent these sounds. That is the orthography. So this is usually studied in spelling systems and not in phonetics. Now here is the tricky part. One sound doesn't always match one letter in normal writing. One sound doesn't always match one letter in normal writing. Let us take k for an example. This sound is the same when pronounced in words like cat. We still have k. Kite, we have k. School, we have k. But it is written as C, K or CH depending on the word. So this means that one sound can have different spellings. So in the phonetic alphabet, the IPA, one symbol, that is the k, the symbol for the sound k, is always representing one sound no matter the language. But in everyday writing like this, each language has its own spelling rules. That is why English spelling can feel so unpredictable. So remember that sounds are universal and physical, but orthography is language specific and written. That is the difference. Sounds are the audible representation or noise, but orthography is just the spelling of the sound. One sound can have different spellings. One sound is the same across all languages, but they may be written differently. That is the difference between speech sounds and then orthography.